Hi there and welcome to TextileTuts, where you can learn at large. Do you have a dress or shirt that is not as stiff as you would like it to be? The solution could be as close as your kitchen. All you need is cornstarch. Surprising, right? Cornstarch can be used in so many ways, and one of those ways is making fabric stiffer. It's the perfect solution for cheaply sprucing up old clothes, blouses, skirts, etc. Let's get started. First thing first, what is cornstarch? Cornstarch is a powder that can be made into a liquid solution with water. In the US, cornstarch is typically derived from GMO corn, so there are some concerns about how it affects your health. That being said, it's still one of the cheapest and most accessible substances to use for this project. Now, let's get into the meat of the matter: how to stiffen fabric with cornstarch. The process of stiffening fabric using cornstarch involves only 6 easy steps. Get a clean, dry container and fill it with water. Note, if you use a container that is too big, the cornstarch will be diluted in the water. Add about 1 cup of cornstarch to your clean dry container, but not so much as to completely cover the bottom. Stir vigorously until most of the cornstarch is dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and shake well. Note, if you don't have a spray bottle, pour the cornstarch solution in your hand. Or you use an atomizer to apply it evenly on the fabric. Spray or dip the clothing item into the liquid until it's fully soaked. Typically, it requires an hour or 2 to soak in the liquid completely. Wait for the moisture from the cornstarch to dry. This will make your fabric stiffer and hardy. You can speed up this process by using a hairdryer or ironing it, but both of these options come with their own risks, like lint on clothing and scorching. You'll be better off using the air dry method. And now enjoy your stiff clothes. Your old t-shirt won't stretch anymore, and you'll be able to keep your pants from falling down because the waistband will hold them up better. Finish by wearing your newly gained superpowers out into the cold world with pride. Be aware that some fabrics may require a second application, but usually only after 1 or 2 wears of clothing item that was soaked with cornstarch solution. These are the alternatives of cornstarch for stiffening your fabrics: amylase powder, sodium alginate, thermopolymer, fabric stiffeners. Now that you know how to stiffen fabric with cornstarch, you no longer need to buy expensive and harmful substances. And when you are finished with the stiffener, just rinse it out in the water to reuse it. That's all for now. See you in the next one.